Good morning, everyone. Let our group introduce ourselves. My name is Noni Sanjatresna Tabela with student number 20 and 21, 00, 20, and 24. And then my friends, Tatiana Rambumai with the student number 20 and 21, 00, 20, and 39. Today, we are going to discuss about reference and referring different kinds and ways. So, check it out. The first one, it's a definition. So, basically, reference is the actual thing or concept that a word or phrase represent. For instance, in the sentence, the cat is on the mat. The reference of the sentence is a cat as actual creature, and then reference also can be object or abstract concept or even specific individuals depending on the context. And the next, this is definition of referring. Referring is a process by which speakers or written use language to direct listener or reader attention to specific reference. And the next, the type of reference. The first one is reference have a contractive reference. It is mean these are physical object or being that can be perceived through the sense. For example, include dog, tree, or mountain. And then second one is this abstract reference. Abstract reference mean this refer to idea or concept that are not physically tangible. For example, freedom, love, and democracy. And the type of reference three is a specific reference. In specific reference, it is donate particular entities that are uniquely. For example, the Eiffel Tower, and then Barack Obama, and the next is a general reference. This refer to a class or category of object or concepts rather than a specific instance. For example, a chair or a president. And we also have the next one is ways of reference. In the ways of reference, the first one we have explicit naming. It is directly naming or identifying a specific reference. For example, John or the Eiffel Tower or Kelimutu Lake and anything. And the next is description. Description is referred to providing characters or attributes that uniquely identify the reference. For example, the tall man on the blue shoes, and then the red car parked outside. And the next is way of reference, contextual identification. So in contextual identification, it is refers to relating the relating the reference to the concept of the communication. For example, the next step in our plane, blah blah blah, or this city is a mayor of blah blah blah. And the last one is classification. Classification is referred to identify reference by their category or type. For example, a type of bird called a sparrow, or all mammalias are warm-bodied. Okay. The next, Tati will explain more. Your turn, Tati.
Okay. The next types of referring. First one, direct referring, especially identify or points to specific reference without ambiguity. Example, this book while pointing to a book in hand. Next, indirect referring refers to a reference indirectly through description or contextual clues. Example, the person who called earlier that famous landmark in Paris. In a pre-referring refers back to a previously mentioned reference using pronouns or other refreshing words. Example, Sela bau
Hah? Tunggu dulu, suara lebih besar. Di sini kecil kok suara.
Kecil kah?
Nah, kecil karena ini sampai tidak bisa dengar. Tunggu ya. Oke, siap ya?
Nah.
Yeah.
Type of referring. First one, direct reference, especially identifies or points to specific reference without ambiguity. Example, this book while pointing to a book in hand. Next, indirect referring refers to reference indirectly through description or contextual clues. Example, the person who called eyeliner that famous landmark in Paris. And the empiric referring refer back to a previously mentioned reference using pronouns or other referencing words. Example, Sela bought a new car. It is red. The chick reference refers to reference who depends on the context of the utterance, time, place, speaker, and perspective. Example, I will meet you here tomorrow. Next, ways to refrain. The first one, direct reference, pointing directly to the reference using explicit language or gestures. Example, this book while holding up a specific book. Next, pronominal reference, using pronouns to refer back to previously mentioned reference. Example, she bought a new car, it is red. Definition description, referring using definite article or specific noun phrase. Example, the tallest building in the city that famous actor. Next, indirect reference, referring to a reference either created through contextual or situation cues. Example, the person who called Elena something interesting happened today.
And next, it's difference between reference and referring. So basically, that we explained before, we can conclude that reference and then referring have a difference. For example, in a nature, is reference are the actual things, like I said before, or idea in the word being thought about, while referring is the act of using language to point to or describe this thing. So in natural is reference is actual things or idea, and then the referring is the act of using language. And we also have a difference in focus, like a reference are the focus of the communication, as they are what the language is attempting to describe or identify. And then referring is the language actions that connect language to this reference. And in essence, reference are the what being referred to, while revering is the how language is used to describe attention or describe this reverence. So I think that's all for our presentation about the reference and referring, different way and kinds. Thank you for your attention.